What is app development and how does it work? App development refers to the process of creating software applications for mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets, or other platforms like desktops, web browsers, or embedded systems. It involves designing, coding, testing, and deploying applications that provide specific functionalities or services to users. The process of app development typically involves the following steps. Idea and planning. Define the purpose, features, and target audience of the app. Conduct market research and create a detailed plan outlining the app's functionality, design, and development roadmap. Design. Create the visual and interactive elements of the app, including user interface, UI, design and user experience, UX, design. This stage involves wireframing, prototyping, and designing the app's overall look and feel. Development. Write the actual code that brings the app to life. This step involves programming languages such as Java, Swift, Kotlin, or JavaScript, depending on the platform and technology used. Developers build the core functionality, implement UI elements, and integrate various features. Testing. Thoroughly test the app for functionality, usability, performance, and compatibility across different devices and platforms. Identify and fix any bugs or issues discovered during the testing phase. Deployment. Prepare the app for release by packaging it and submitting it to the relevant app stores, e.g., Apple's App Store, Google Play Store. App stores have specific guidelines and review processes to ensure the quality and security of the apps they distribute. Maintenance and updates. Once the app is released, developers continue to monitor and maintain it. This includes addressing user feedback, fixing bugs, optimizing performance, and periodically releasing updates with new features or improvements. Throughout the development process, developers use integrated development environments, IDEs, software development kits, SDKs, and other tools to streamline coding, testing, and debugging tasks. They also make use of frameworks and libraries to speed up development and leverage pre-built components. It's important to note that the specific app development process may vary depending on factors such as the platform, iOS, Android, web, etc., the development approach, native, hybrid, or web-based, the complexity of the app, and the team's development methodology. How to make money from app development? There are several ways to make money from app development. Here are some common strategies. Paid apps. You can charge users a one-time fee to download your app from app stores. This approach requires providing enough value and unique features to entice users to make the purchase. In-app purchases. Offer additional features, content, or virtual goods within your app for users to purchase. This strategy is commonly used in games, where users can buy power-ups, characters, or levels, but it can also be applicable to other types of apps. Subscriptions. Provide access to premium content or services through subscription plans. This model often offers a free version with limited features and a paid subscription that unlocks additional functionality or removes ads. Advertising. Integrate ads into your app and earn revenue based on the number of impressions or clicks generated. There are various ad networks and platforms available, such as Google AdMob and Facebook Audience Network, that facilitate ad monetization. Sponsorships and partnerships. Collaborate with other companies or brands to promote their products or services within your app in exchange for financial support or revenue sharing. Freemium model. Offer a basic version of your app for free and provide premium features or content as in-app purchases. This allows users to experience the app before deciding to upgrade for enhanced functionality. Data monetization. If your app collects user data, with their consent, you can anonymize and aggregate it to derive valuable insights or sell it to third-party companies or market research firms. Enterprise solutions. Develop custom apps for businesses or organizations and charge for the development, maintenance, and support services. These apps often cater to specific business needs and can be highly profitable. It's important to consider factors such as your app's target audience, market demand, competition, and pricing strategies when deciding how to monetize your app. You can also combine multiple monetization methods to maximize revenue. Additionally, focusing on user retention, engagement, and positive reviews can contribute to long-term success and profitability.